Hi, I'm Amy Fleury, and I'm the designer for C&W Custom Woodworking. Today we're talking about a project that we did for a homeowner. Matt Klusner wanted an entertainment center. He wanted a very specific entertainment center. The first step in our adventure is I went to his home and he shows me all of his sound equipment, which is very important to him. And then we proceed to talk about how he wants me to incorporate all this sound equipment into the entertainment center for his new home. And here we go. He had speakers he wanted at the top. In the center section, he wanted to store albums. He had a very specific TV size. He wanted us to get nice and close to that TV. Here, he has a couple of just pull out, they're almost like tabletops that pull out where he can sit his albums when he's cleaning them to get them ready to put on the turntable. The placement of his things was so important to him that we mapped them out. So as you can see, the albums go here. The speakers are up there. Adjustable shelves, and we are doing glass adjustable shelves. On the turntable pullout, I had to get exact measurement, and that also, it had to be strong enough not to have any deflection when it was open.
My name is Jake Peckinpah. I'm a cabinet worker here at C&W, and I'm going to show you this Klusner job that I just finished up. This right here looks just like all the other drawers, but it's actually a pullout for a record player. So this drops down with a nice soft drop, and then this shelf pulls out. The record player will sit right there. These two up top here are speaker cloth, so their speakers will actually sit right inside of here, and that just allows for the sound to carry a lot better through there. This is the base cabinet unit right here that'll go in between the two uppers. We've just got two basic doors right here for storage, two file drawers right here. And then kind of a special element is these two thin upper drawers that are actually just to set records on top to either look at, to see what you're playing, or to clean them. This here is the upper cabinets that'll as well go in between the two uppers. See, we had to specially design this back angle right here because the ceiling had kind of a slant in it. We also had to make sure that we kept enough room for the records to still fit inside of here. These panels were kind of a special design, just gives it kind of a clean, smooth look. This entire job was made out of maple, which is a super hard wood. So the center here is actually a maple plywood and the outsides are a maple hardwood that were all biscuited and glued together and then all sanded perfectly flat to give you that nice seams there. It's just a kind of a different style.
All in all, I really hope that he loves this piece and that it functions for him exactly like he wants it to. But this is a great project.